This is John Watts, and today I want to talk with you about the 5 most common mistakes we see Alabama consumers make when they've been sued for ejectment. Now, just to remind us, ejectment is when a foreclosure has occurred and then the mortgage company is asking the court to eject or evict us from our home. And so a lawsuit is filed. Here's the first most common mistake, and that is not answering the lawsuit. If we don't answer the lawsuit, we lose. The second most common mistake is assuming that since the foreclosure's already occurred, there's nothing we can do about it. That's simply not true. The third most common mistake is assuming that the mortgage company that foreclosed against us actually had the right or the power to foreclose. And when we get into, and we're going to do a separate video on each one of these points, and on this third mistake, we'll really zero in on the fact that so many times in Alabama, the mortgage company that forecloses does not actually have the right to foreclose. The fourth most common mistake is assuming that the foreclosure sale itself was valid and proper. And we're going to see that that often is not the case. And then the fifth most common mistake is not filing a counterclaim. If we have the right to file a legitimate counterclaim, then it normally is a mistake to not do that. So just run over those real quick. Not answering the complaint, the lawsuit, assuming that since a foreclosure sale happened, there's nothing we can do, assuming the mortgage company had the right to foreclose, assuming that the foreclosure process itself was valid and proper, and then not filing a counterclaim. So we'll do a separate video on each one of these, but I just wanted to give kind of an overview today in this video, and then we'll come back in and fill in the details. If you have any questions, you're welcome to call us at 205-879-2447 or go to our website, alabamaconsumer.com, and you can fill out a contact form there. And you can also request our book, and it covers these 5 mistakes that are so common in Alabama ejectment lawsuits. We hope this has been helpful, and we look forward to visiting with you again. Thank you.